Welcome back to day 2 of our exercise and motivation series. You are here to take control of your health and begin your fitness journey. Today, we focus on the essential first step before diving into any workout routine. Most beginners fail not due to a lack of motivation, but because they overlook the crucial foundation, setting a clear goal and creating a solid plan. Ask yourself, why do I want to exercise? Is it to lose weight, build strength, maintain health, boost my energy, or simply to feel better every day? Once you identify your why, you empower yourself for those challenging days when motivation wanes. Start small. Don't overwhelm yourself with lengthy workouts on day 1. Commit to something manageable, like 10 to 15 minutes of daily movement. This could include stretching, a short walk, or even bodyweight exercises you can do at home. Remember, consistency beats intensity. You don't need expensive equipment or a gym membership to get started. Your body and a little space are all you require. So, the first thing to do is find your why and begin taking small steps towards your goals. Write down your goal today and select one small action to commit to daily. As you repeat this, those little steps will lead to remarkable transformations in both body and mindset. If you found this information motivating, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for day 3. Share this video with someone who needs encouragement to embark on their journey. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about making progress. Let's keep moving forward together. Every step counts, so let's make them meaningful.